Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am SK Khan. Now stay in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is very beautiful country and total population 18 crore and capital city Dhaka. Most of persons lives here and most of persons polar rickshaw and a baby taxi and other things, and some people high educated and high job, so their position is high level, and most of persons high luxurious it's a lifestyle, and and some people it's a very it's lost position, less position, and no house, it's no anything, no peace, it's no other place, and they lives rent house and rent home and other place, and some people yes, and some people drive it's a various different way, and anybody, some people as business jobment and other as a place recruitment, but it's a but most of persons it's a most of persons low the coverage, it's a no sufficient money, no sufficient anything, no sufficient things, no sufficient other, so their position is very it's a poverty, and it's a low level from high, so some people transfer other place, some people transfer job man equipment, some people transfer other new city repair, then Dhaka is very population so less, this position this position is a day by day, it's a development, and it's a grow up, and weather, it's a oil, and it's a no, it's a population more, and population it's a make it's a different less, then position is oil. Okay.